My battery is literally about to die, so I am just gonna quickly show you guys our Airbnb. We are staying in the apartment complex. It's called Circa, and it's just so cute. So it's like a 1-bedroom and a den. So honestly, they could literally turn this into like a dining room or a little cute office. Okay, so we are back in action. So like I was saying, this is like when you first walk into the door. He's making fun of me. That's who you hear in the background. So right when you walk out for the door, there's a cute den right here. You can probably make this into like, I wouldn't even say dining because they have one here. You can low-key make this into an office, which I like. Then when you walk in, it's like a very open floor plan. You have the fridge right here, and then you have your dining situation right here. The whole kitchen setup is right here, living room, and then right off of the dining area is the bathroom, which is like a cute standard bathroom with your toilet, your sink, and then just standard shower. I like the backsplash. So then we're gonna go into, I think this might be, oh, this is where the washer and dryer is. So they have like a nice washer and dryer here. And then bedroom. Of course, every time I show you guys where we're staying, he's always already in bed. The view, this is a city view, but you guys can't really see at night. I'm gonna definitely show you guys in the morning. But then they have like a nice closet in here. It's like a nice walk-in closet here. So let me show you guys, because I don't think you guys are really getting how beautiful this view is. So we're pretty high up right now. We're on the 29th floor, I want to say, but I don't even think you guys can capture. We're literally in the heart of everything right now. If you guys are looking for city views, I'm a city view type of girl, either city view or beachfront, the ocean front. That's what I am. But I'm gonna go out on the balcony to show you guys this view. We're high. Like, I'm gonna sit down to show you guys because I'm looking nervous. But this is high. We are high. I don't know if you guys can really see and appreciate how high up we are. Like, we in the sky, okay? We are in the sky. And then I don't want to lean too close to the balcony, but yeah, this is so freaking beautiful and everything. So this is where we're staying today. I love this. Oh, I'm getting my pictures out here, baby girl, baby boo, what? Okay, so let's go back inside because it's too much. You gotta come out here with some grip on your feet. But I love this place. This place is really cute. It's given all the vibes that I need. But we're just gonna get settled in and stuff, and then yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. We literally, our flight was delayed 2 hours, and by the time we just got here, it's like after midnight, LA time. What's it called? Pacific Standard Time, which is really 3 a.m. our time. So yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys later. We're probably gonna chill and stuff, and then yeah. See ya. All right, guys. Good morning. It is 11:23 Eastern Standard Time. I mean Pacific Standard Time, and we are getting ready. We're gonna go pick up our rental and then head down so that we can go to the birthday party. I feel so bad because it's low-key gloomy outside. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just actually really wanted to show you guys the view from. I wanted to show you guys the view. That way you can really see it, because I know that last night you guys weren't really able to see it. We are pretty high up. We're on the 29th floor. I don't know if you guys can literally see. I am not getting anywhere close to the edge. Like last time I was trying to show everything and I was literally taking the pictures here. So that's what it looks like. You can literally see how far down we are. That's a train down there. So yeah, and the balcony is off of the bedroom over here. So we are about to head out to go get our the rental car. And then what I've been craving low-key is some In-N-Out, so we're definitely gonna go grab some In-N-Out. I honestly did something completely different with my makeup today, and I'm actually really liking it. Got all new products, which I did show you guys in the haul. So I kind of just like used the products from the haul and then kind of went with it. So I'm gonna pack you guys with me because I definitely want to record this event. Sorry about the lighting. This is just not it. So I definitely want to record this event and everything, make memories. So we really need to head out like now, because I said I was gonna pick the car up at 10 and it's almost 11:30. So I will catch up with you guys when we're in our car. So we're at Avis and we have to come pick up our car, and I have an Avis Preferred. So I'm trying to I was trying to do it through the app, because if you get it through the app and you're preferred member, you can kind of just pick your car and just go. You don't necessarily need to talk to someone, but they keep trying to give me this upgrade to get a pickup truck. I do not want a pickup truck, so we are gonna go talk to someone to see if I can just get like a regular like sedan car. That'd be nice, because I'm like, you guys are not about to play me with your gas prices here. So CHUKU. Yep.
21 years of living in Hawaii.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yep.
So that name would be how Hawaiians are pronunciation.
Yeah.
And the vowels
Yep.
are in the letters for Japan.
Ah.
You know, very close to that.
That's cool. Okay guys, we just picked up the car, so I'm just gonna do like a quick video because I like to like make sure like any scratches or anything that's already on the car I'm not gonna get charged for, so that's what we're doing. So this is the car that we have. Don't mind me, I literally do this whenever I get any sort of rental, because I'm like, you guys are not about to charge me for any damages that your car already had. So far it looks like it's good. It's just from the rain. There's a ding that's right there in the back of the car, and a scratch, someone like keyed the car, but it's just a few scratches and stuff.